Alright, so as I was sitting here this morning, I was checking all my water levels and so on. And the water level inside always goes from 2/3 lit up. And if it goes below 2/3, it just shows empty. So I must have a broken sensor or wire or something underneath here. So while I'm here, might as well get on the ground and check it out. Yeah. I was wondering why it was showing empty all the time. After it got below half, it's because wire's busted. Let's see if I can jury rig that. And then that goes into that blade there. There we go. Let's see if that fixed it. No, it's not easy to get up from here. Let's go inside. Alright, come on, baby. Yeah. We have lights. Alright, I'm glad that's working again. Next! Oh, that was a great weekend here. I loved it. Being right by the water here. Can't ask for much better than that. Beautiful white noise to sleep to at night. But it's time to move on. My daughter's back home, so we're heading to Revelstoke, which is only like an hour away from here. Gonna hang out with her and her husband Carson for the week. I don't know, for a couple of days. I don't know. Haven't decided that yet. But that's where we're going. Going to Revelstoke. Clean up a little bit, get a little bit of the dust out. Not as much as the dust from last year, but a little dusty. And yeah, figure out where to go. And yeah, I got a surprise in Revelstoke waiting for me too. Alright guys, let's get out of here. Caitlin, you ready to go see your big sister Caitlin? Yeah, we're gonna go see her and your dog friend Cleo. And Caitlin has a new doggie. You get to see Rosa. Yeah. That's gonna be great. Get to see everybody. Whole big family. Hey, you ready to go? Hey guys, made it to Revelstoke. It was great seeing my daughter. I stayed at her place last night. Went out to dinner, had a good time. But I didn't want to stay in another driveway. I've done that more than enough this year. So yeah, just came about 20 minutes away at This wreck site, I love it here. Look at the view. But yeah, it's time to get out my surprise. Finally. So finally, after all these years of using data for internet, I took the plunge. I got me Starlink. It's great because my daughter's place, she's considered a rural address, so it was only $199 for the hardware, which pretty well sold me on it since I'm a cheap bastard anyway. So yeah, it's time to hook that up and see what it's all about. I should get that out of the way. I guess I have to use my phone to set up. Alright, I need my phone for all that, but Starlink's all set up. What's it doing, like anywhere from 35 to 45 watts? So that says there it'll last for 19.7 hours, or 18.4, whatever. Let's call it 18 and a half hours. Yeah, that's pretty good. I can use that for now and then figure out where I'm going to plug it in my van. I'll have to have my inverter on for now until I get a DC option for it, or get somebody to build one, or build one myself. I don't know. Gotta do what I gotta do. Rather have it running on DC so I don't have to have my inverter on. Another beautiful morning in Revelstoke. So last year, this is where Uma had her first swim. Actually, it was this week as well last year. Good girl. That's a good girl. But the water level was basically where she is now, so you can see how low the water is. Even that little grassy island wasn't there last year, the water was so high. Yeah, pretty crazy. That log is actually where the water was. So yeah, crazy, all that grass and nothing. So yeah, I am staying here for 5 days. Gonna go back in town when Carson gets home on the weekend and hang out with Kate and Carson. But I think I'm just gonna spend these next 4 days just regrouping and getting my shit together. Yeah, I just gotta get back to a normal mindset. So yeah, that's it, and we'll see you guys next week. Take care, guys. Bye.